What's up everybody, Android here. So Samsung is all set to release the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series next month, but leaks and rumors about the device is not stopping at all. A few days back, Samsung Russia accidentally leaked some official images of the upcoming phone in its website, and today we got some live images of the smartphone in the wild for the first time. While these images are leaked by a YouTuber Jimmy is Promo, his track record is unknown as a leakster though, but these images looks really real. So without further ado, here are the pictures. So if we look at the rear side, the first thing you will notice is a huge camera bump housing 3 cameras, a flash and a TOF sensor. And I would say it looks classy, like whole finishing seems really good. So definitely people gets used to this huge camera bump. It's not a big deal since a lot of people gets used to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra's camera bump. So definitely it will be okay. Also, we got the pictures from the front side as well, and the camera cutout is a lot smaller than the one on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Ice Universe did a side-by-side comparison, and here you can see it's a difference of a whole diameter. And also the bezels look smaller too, which makes it looks quite better in every aspect. And along with the pictures, we got some information too. According to the Jimmy is Promo, the location of the speaker grill and S Pen are moved to the left side of the charging port, and talking about the S Pen, it is now in the same color of the phone, which looks aesthetically better, and this time we will get low latency rate than the Samsung Galaxy Note 10's S Pen, which is a good move though. People usually buy a Note device especially for the S Pen, and Samsung is making it a lot better than previous S Pens. And also according to the leakster, Samsung will introduce some more features for the S Pen in the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series. With that being said, Jimmy is Promo said that he will upload a proper hands-on video of the handset really soon, and I will definitely update you regarding that. So make sure to hit the subscribe button to watch it. So yeah, what's your thoughts on these live images of the smartphone? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.